Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today I'll show you how to install the in-cab electrical heater on this Mercedes GLK350. So this is a little heater that we're going to install, and it will potentially go on the sidewall. The biggest challenge is to get the cord through the firewall. So in order to do that, you'll need to remove this plate underneath the glove box, 1, 2, 3 torque screws, and basically you will get to this point. So you can see there's there's a big wiring harness over there going through the firewall, and we have place over here where the battery used to be. So to remove the battery, obviously you need to remove 2 terminals, as well as there are 2 13mm bolts that hold in that battery on with the bracket. So this is the bracket, 13mm. You get this out to get the battery out. And then, to our convenience, I will show you there is a plug in the firewall just over there. So we'll just push it in. Now we have nice access to route that wire from the cab. So if you look from the cab, this is where that hole is, so it's super convenient. And now we have this rubber grommet, so we'll just make a hole in it and put it back, and just route the wire through it. So I have made a little hole in that grommet, and now I'll just slide in it to the firewall. We will install it over there. I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so I used a few zip ties to zip tie that wire all the way along, go to here, then it went under this plastic shield and came out over here. So we'll just need to attach a plug later on. Right, so the wire got connected to the heater one. We have zipped it up. There's the zip ties just over there to the main harness. We also removed this side panel where we will attach it. So basically there it is. It is attached to this rim with those metal clips, and also there is another one. You see that white plastic clip. So basically, if it sits on the car like this, it has to slide out. We'll need to pry this out too. So now we will attach the heater to this side piece and get it installed. Okay, so the mounting bracket is installed with 2 nuts and 2 bolts versus screws that came in a package. Right, so now this side panel is installed, so I will just clip our heater on. That's it. So it is away from the panel itself. There's plenty room on the other side. There's room behind. So that should do it. To get this plate back on, you will need to remove your heater, though because it's on a bracket, it's quite simple. So you need to pull this away, install this cover under the glove box, and then put your heater back on, so that bracket is really handy when you need to get it off and get it back on. Super simple. Alright, the heater is installed. It's nice and quiet. One thing to mention, originally I installed the bracket wrong way, so the heater was pointing to the front, which wasn't good at all. The way this bracket is designed on this heater is weird. It doesn't make any sense, but basically right now to pull it out you need to push it back. So that should be it. We'll get the battery installed and we'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself.